Good morning, students. In the last class, we learned regarding the chemical reactions and equations, and also we learned how to balance the chemical equations, right? And I am Nidish Pagalwadi, Sankalp Learning Solutions, your science teacher. So let us continue the concept of chemical reactions and equation. Now we are moving to the very deepest part and very interesting part of chemical reaction. Even though these reactions takes place around us, we don't know these are those type of reaction, right? So let us consider those reactions and let us wonder what all things are going around us. The first one, so as you can see, let me take all time favorite reaction. So that is nothing but a formation of water. Okay, formation of water. So in formation of water, we know that hydrogen combines with oxygen, okay, to give water. Fine. So let me balance it. So hydrogen and oxygen are the reactants and water is a product. Similarly, let us take one more reaction. So that is formation of ammonia. Formation of ammonia. So these ammonia and compounds of ammonia will be used widely in the field of agriculture as fertilizers. Okay. So that is why industrial production of ammonia has a very significant role. So how this ammonia will be formed or will be produced? For this ammonia formation, we need two reactants, namely nitrogen. So what is the formula of nitrogen? N2 and hydrogen, that is H2, when they combine at a very high pressure, when these two gaseous forms of elements or the atoms combine at a high pressure, okay, so these two react and form ammonia, which is NH3. This is ammonia. Okay, so let me balance it. This is 3, this is 2. 2 3s are 6. Okay. Now let us take one more reaction. We all know pollution is increasing day by day on earth, and indirectly or directly our earth's temperature is also increasing. That is nothing but global warming. Okay, the polar bears in the Atlantic, that is in the pole region of the earth, they are in a danger. Why? The ice glaciers are nothing but they are dissolving. Not they are dissolving means they are melting. They are melting and they are becoming water. Why? It is due to increase in temperature. Why the temperature is being increased? Because due to a one particular gas which is being increased on the earth from recent years. Yes, that is nothing but the carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide we should not consider that it is a very poisonous gas. It is very dangerous on earth. But without it, photosynthesis cannot happen at all. So carbon dioxide is required, but up to certain quantity. When it exceeds, it results in a global warming which we are facing right now. So thus carbon dioxide is formed by the reactants like formation of carbon dioxide. So the reaction or the reactants for this are nothing but carbon plus oxygen gives us carbon dioxide. So as it is balanced, there is no need to balance it. Okay. Now, when we consider an activity, so let us consider an activity. For this activity's video will be demonstrated in the next session. So for this activity, we need the materials like magnesium ribbon and Bunsen burner. Then we need pair of tongs. Pair of tongs we can call as pucker to hold something. It will be like a scissor but not actually scissor. Pair of tongs. So this magnesium ribbon, common example I can give is during Deepavali we will buy crackers, right? So in our childhood days, I remember we used to use a cracker which is called as cape. It will be reddish in color and it will be having dots in it. When we just scratch it on a rough surface, it used to ignite and it used to produce a pop sound like this. Okay, exhaustion. It was not a so dangerous cracker actually. So the magnesium ribbon will be like that cracker only. It will be like a ribbon which is in a silver or gray color. Okay, so that magnesium ribbon, what we have to do is we have to rub with a sandpaper first. Why we have to rub? As we know that in our environment we will be having many gases, the oxygen, moisture and the carbon present on in the atmosphere may react with the magnesium. So that time this activity cannot happen. So to remove those impurities, to remove those extra gases which have been deposited on the magnesium ribbon, we have to rub it with the sandpaper. That is the first step. Then hold it with the tongs. Then we have to ignite it using the Bunsen burner. So Bunsen burner in the laboratory will be like this, which will be connected to the LPG cylinder. Okay, it will be having the knobs and it will ignite, or it is used to burn the samples or whatever we require. So it should be ignited in a very low flame on which we will hold the magnesium ribbon. Okay, so using a pair of tongs. Okay, so after holding the magnesium ribbon to the Bunsen burner, after few minutes what happened? The magnesium ribbon, the observation will be the magnesium ribbon burns with a white glow light. It burns with a white glow light which should not be observed, okay, directly, okay, with the naked eye. So you should use the goggles in the chemistry labs because it can affect your vision. That is why you should not observe this white glow light directly or very near. Okay, next. When it forms white glow light and after the light glows, the white ash is formed. The white ash is formed. So magnesium ribbon was converted into white ash. So what is the reaction happened here? So after seeing this, you will get to know this is the chemical reaction because a new substance is formed which is white. We can't get a magnesium ribbon back, so this is a chemical reaction. So here what happens, what actually happens in the reaction is magnesium, it reacts with oxygen. Always all the substances will burn in presence of oxygen. For burning they need oxygen. That is why oxygen is called promoter. Magnesium in presence of oxygen is burnt or ignited to produce magnesium oxide. So whatever a white ash is formed, it is nothing but a magnesium oxide. Okay, magnesium oxide. So symbolically it is written as Mg plus O2 gives us MgO. To balance I wrote 2 Mg. So here again 2. Fine. So this is regarding the reaction happened during this activity. When you observe all these reactions, for example A, B, C and D. Observe all type of reaction or all the examples here. Here we have 2 reactants. Okay, then 1 product. Okay, similarly in second, third and fourth reactions we have 2 reactants. Okay, 2 reactants and 1 product. So the reactions in which, okay, the reaction in which 2 or more reactants react or combine to give only single product. Reactants may be many in number, but a product which is formed should be single. To give a single product, such type of reactions are called as combination reaction. So the first one we are going to learn is nothing but it is the combination reaction. So why it is called combination? Here two or more substances are combined to give one single product. That is why it is referred as combination reaction. So combination reaction is defined as the reaction in which two or more products react or combine to give a single product. Okay, the reaction in which two or more reactants or substances react or combine to give one single product or single product is called as combination reaction. Okay, this is regarding the first type of reaction in the chemical reactions and equation. In the next class, we are going to learn regarding other type of reaction which we see in our daily life. For example, we know that this water is made up of hydrogen and oxygen. So how can we get hydrogen and oxygen from the water? That we are going to learn. And you might observe certain things when you wear a silver ornaments like a chain or an anklet, gadget. Okay, so when you wear it for many days, for some of them, with some of them, the after some days or some years, we can say the silver, what is that, the color changes. Okay, it changes to a blackish or grayish color. It loses its shining property. Why? Because some chemical reaction is happening with that silver ornament which is corroding it, means which is spoiling or destroying it. What is that reaction? What type of chemical reaction it is? Let us see in the next session. Until that, love science, learn science, enjoy science. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.